Okay, unboxing. What's the name now? Portable Breezy Air Cooler. Is that what it is? Yes, it is. Okay, let's see what it has. That's the filter. Of course, look like a USB cable. Duration, a little thumbs up. This is a vent where the air comes through. It has setting there. Here you put a little water in here. Look what I find. That's where the water go. But they have it's open. This is how it looks like. This is how the inside look like. And we took the coil out there. We'll connect it. So it says soak, so we're gonna soak it with some distilled water and some ice. Put some ice in there. That's that cold water. This is the one we use in there. Okay, slide right in. So this is actually a bike cup filter mechanism. Just open it up here. It's in. Now I'm gonna put some of the same old ice water in there. I just put some little bit. Just close it up. And the plug is right there. test it out. It's on high right now. That's high. That's medium. That's low. And it's cooling already. You can feel your hands or you feel the body. It's cooling already. And looks like it had different kind of lights on, different colors. So kind of cool looking. My son room is really hot and our air conditioner is off today, so I'll keep you guys posted on reviews and other things how it went. But for now, it seemed to do the job. Thank you.